Some confusion is perfectly normal at this stage, Captain. Do you have a visual signal?
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another live stream. We are live, everybody. On Monday evening in my time zone, we're gonna grind, as always. We're just gonna grind. Hello everybody, Mr. Dick. HM Fakri Issa. Hey man, Ratatouille is awesome. Thank you. Thank you. What's poppin', everybody? Just tell me about your day, okay? What happened? How are you doing? Are you financially struggling or not? I will send you money. Oh, no, no, don't tell me that. How are you doing? I'm just gonna wait for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna actually pour some water. I have my shaker without a cap or whatever. I don't know. Yeah, just half-ass shaker. I'm gonna just pour some water. Give me 1 second, okay? I have some not the best quality type of water, but it's water. Okay, get hydrated. Get hydrated. That's the official drink of grind. So give me a second. Because if I fuck this up, it's gonna be a mess. Got the water. Everybody officially poured into a large cup. You're ready to grind. By the way, I just saw myself on the screen and I have a sticker on my headphone. How about that? You know, I'm so dripped out at this point. I got the Ratatouille sticker on my headphone. What are you talking about? By the way, you can buy merch in my merch store. Just go to the description of this video and click the link there. You'll redirected to a website called Grindhouse. I don't know why I'm struggling to speak today. And go there, buy some merch. Thanks for watching, everybody. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Of course I'm joking, okay? Of course. It was not... You didn't think that I was going to end the stream that quickly, right? I'll at least stick around for 5 more minutes. Don't worry. Just gonna take a sip. Okay, you might be asking what are we gonna do today, and it's the same thing as always. Writing Rust and building websites, which is a bit weird because now I think of it, that's not something that I was doing before. Now that I do this thing where I build websites and I feel like a web developer, like I don't know if it's a good thing or not. It's definitely not a good thing for my health. I don't know. I'm just gonna go and see a doctor actually. But if that's what we're gonna do basically. So yeah. What are the plans? First of all, as you might or might not know about the Ratzilla project, it's a website builder using Ratatouille. That's basically what I'm gonna do, and writing some docs, tests. Maybe I will do some maintenance on Ratatouille itself if I have time. I have time, but if I want. That sounds a bit not it sounds a bit like I'm not fulfilling my responsibilities, but it's open source, okay? If I like to do it, I will do it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna do it. So yeah. So yeah, 1 second. Give me a couple of seconds, actually, not just 1 second. I'm gonna post the stream link. In the meantime, feel free to drop your questions in the chat or whatever you might have. It's totally fine. Okay, if you're not on Discord, join Discord. You don't have to. You absolutely don't have to, but just saying, we have a Discord. Okay, guys. So, we are back on this project. Let me see what I've done recently. I was trying out this bson thing because if you remember it was not working with WebAssembly because of the random dependency. And I learned that actually if you add one of your non-direct dependencies with a feature flag, it just overrides the transitive dependency of another dependency, which is an interesting thing. So that's what I tried out. Basically, it's basically something like you have a dependency on rand, and rand depends on get random, and you wanna tweak a feature flag on get random. How do you do that? If rand does not expose the feature flag, I cannot speak. You basically add get random as a dependency with the desired feature flag. It just works. It's weird, but yeah, it works. So we're gonna go ahead here, and I'll start polishing this up. Basically, polish mentioned. First of all, we have this README, which is lacking some documentation. This dependency conflicts makes the worst. Yeah. This is lacking a lot of things here. First of all, we are missing to mention. Okay, that's weird. Why did it update? Anyways, it's missing a mention to index.html. We should mention that here. But first of all, let me update the cargo log. I'm just trying to enter my password, goddammit. Is there any opportunity to join voice and just code together? We can do that on Discord, not on live stream. We gotta plan that for a live stream though. Like if we plan something, if we say something like, hey, let's code this together, I can just live stream that, but either way it's gonna be on Discord, so it's just better to schedule that on Discord. Let's discuss there. Use cursor, no. Just straight up no. I can try it out later. Not now though. So yeah, I was saying we need to have like an index HTML because this is needed. You gotta import the JS file, right? So I gotta mention that somewhere. So yeah, here's a minimal example. Install trunk. Okay, then add your index HTML, which imports the JavaScript Okay, let me try to have a minimal one actually, because I'm not sure if this will work if I remove the style and everything. I want to have something minimal here. Okay, let me remove the style. Yeah, it still works. Let me remove the font. Font size. Evening sushi is ready. Life is good. Hell yeah, man. The man, the myth, the legend. Who is that? Is that me? There's no way that's me. Because I'm not real. Well, that's why you said myth, I guess. Anyways, welcome, Justice Easy. Transistor, what is your favorite sushi? I'm thinking if I should add the style to the minimal example or not. Also, I realized this bold thing is not really touching the borders. It's kind of weird. But do we care? That's the only thing that matters. Background color, let me use 0. So black. Not that great actually. Let's use 12 maybe. Nigiri sushi. Yeah, it's tasty. Okay, this is kinda fine, but I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and suggest that people should add this one, because this is working fine so far. You can probably reorder the CSS stuff here though. I don't know if there's like a convention when it comes to CSS. Let me ask ChatGPT. And don't say something like ask some other LLM or something. I don't know. ChatGPT is just convenient. Look at this. I didn't even log in. Okay. Order these. And yeah, just order these. Okay, I guess that's fine. Let me actually paste this here too. Although I'm a bot, I can't even taste sushi. Dude, I don't know how you get trained or who trained you as a language model, but I mean, you have like good taste. How to learn Rust, how to get started. I guess just sorry, this poll is just hypnotizing me. Just start from the official docs. Yeah, read the docs. Try to build something, practice, and keep grinding, man. That's all I'm gonna say. While I'm at it, I'm gonna actually reorder every index HTML. This is the first time that I'm touching this file actually. I hope I won't break anything. I was trained by Remy the Rat. Got you. He's under my hat right now. Cool. If you start from scratch, go out and do this project. What do you mean go, Mr. Dick? What's up with that? We're talking about Rust. What? Okay, sorry. Yeah, sure. I mean, yeah, just do like a to-do app, I guess, something like that. Or I don't know what you're trying to build. If you're trying to build like a web application and trying to like build web stuff, go ahead and try one of the frameworks. I don't know, build something with it. If you want to build a CLI, use collapsible. fetch some data from somewhere, learn async that way. And if you want to build a TUI, you know what to use already. Bubble tea. Alright, we got that now. Let's see, then add your indexation, which imports the JavaScript module. Install chunk to build and serve the web application. Okay, that's good. It's not bad. Refactoring getting same fame, huh? Tutorials and so on. Did you tell him to record it? Did you tell who? Yeah. There was a one. Oh, you mean the guy who recorded the tutorial? No, I didn't tell him to record it or anything. He just popped up on Discord one day and he was like, "Okay, guys, here's the tutorial that I made for using Refactoring," and I was like, "Dude, that's fire." So we just added that to the website, I think. Let me check. I think it's deployed already. There you have it, the tutorial here. Also, I ordered the videos. Look at this guy, is just smiling like a goofy ass TUI developer. So yeah. That was just surprising and very nice of them. Good for you, I guess. You as a maintainer create more videos. I'm trying, dude. If you do, you'll go viral, dude. Yeah, maybe I should just do like a whole walkthrough of the workshop that I made. That would be nice. Like, imagine 12 hours straight live streaming, going through the workshop, and then I post it as a video, and then like have sections, timestamps, everything. You just go into this video, watch it, and you'll learn everything about everything. You'll learn about life, man. How about that? Your recommendations for getting into open source as a relatively inexperienced developer? I guess keep pushing code. I mean, open source is the way to get experience. So I mean, that's totally fine. If you're inexperienced, I mean, I was inexperienced too. I'm still inexperienced on most of the things that I do. I'm still learning through open source. So just build things. That's the slogan, guys. There you go. Just build things. Here's my trademark. There you go, guys. Let me just pin this. That's the slogan from now on. That's the motto. Actually, hold on. Let me do something like this. It's gonna be a bit of a struggle to get here, but wait, I don't have my rich text editor here. I have it here though. Okay. How do I add? Wait, what? There was one collapse thing here. Okay, markdown collapsible section. I'm gonna make this thing a collapsible thing because I don't want to add like I don't want to slap an HTML file into the README. This is a Rust project, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to wave people and, you know, scare them away. I want to scare anybody with this project. It's fine. It's not web, okay? It's just Rust. So the problem is that finding projects to contribute the most of their code base, I cannot understand anything. That's totally normal. Like, you gotta just take your time with them and ask questions and get some help if possible from the maintainers. That's totally fine. It doesn't work. No, I gotta use bold here. No, maybe what's the equivalent of the grave thing in HTML? Okay, let me do markdown to HTML. I'll find it out. Don't worry. Development never ending. Hell, you'll never say I know this and stuff. I'm familiar with. Yeah, it's never ending. It's an addiction. This is P. Okay, I guess. Okay, that's weird. I didn't know that. Anyways, I'm not gonna do fancy HTML stuff. I'm just gonna do that here. All right. That's the quick start guide. Not sure this is actually the correct code that I have here. Okay, maybe. Hold on, I have an idea. We're gonna include my headphones just died. 1 second, guys. I gotta plug this in. I hope you still hear me. Don't hack my Bluetooth, okay? Okay, I'm back. I like Vim motions, but I hate Vim. Can you suggest me an editor? Try Helix. Helix is good. It's like a stock editor. You just install it and start using it instantly. It's great, but no plugins and other stuff are missing. But yeah, Helix is good. I'm gonna switch to it when there's a plugin system and like terminal, integrated terminal. Other than that, I don't know. Like I use Neovim, obviously. I'm not gonna recommend VS Code to you, so ain't gonna happen. Just install Vim plugin or whatever IDE. Yeah, I mean, yeah, just you try Helix maybe. Okay, I need to include this as a string. How do I do that actually? Totally forgot about doing that. Maybe we have something like that here now. Okay, I'm just browsing similar or like projects that did that before. Okay, this one. Okay, this will actually include the README as a documentation to the crate, which will be just, you know, just a mirror of this thing, right? So that means we can, in theory, run cargo test doc, and it will test the code in README to see if it's gonna build or not. So that's that. And I think I already have this check here. Yeah, cargo doc. Well, this is not the check that I wanted. 1 second. Let me just wait a bit for this to run. How do we type Helix? Wait. There you go. Wait, what? Cannot access imported statics on non-WASM targets. What the hell? Okay, maybe I need to mark this as no run. That's why. Where is it? Rust no run, I guess. This will work, hopefully. Rust doc no run. Let me check to make sure. no run. Yeah, exactly. So it will compile my code but not run it. So it's compiling, but it's not being run. Okay, that's great. It's good to know. Let me actually try this. What happens if I change this and do it again? Okay, it's failing. Good. That's great. All right, we're gonna go ahead here and what are we gonna do actually? Hold on. Lost my memory. Guys, I'm getting old. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead here. Where is cargo test? Cargo generate log file cargo test. Is this running the doc tests? Is what I'm wondering. No, it's not. Cargo test locked. There are no tests. Okay, I gotta run this in 2 steps then. First that and then also doc tests. Cargo test, doc. All features, yeah. I don't have any features here, but let's just do all features just in case. How about this thing? Let's see if the documentation is now mirrored between README and librs. Helix looks good. I'll check on it. Yeah, no problem. I am maintaining that for Arch, by the way. If you're using Arch, just saying. By the way, you know, I gotta plug that in. So just saying. By the way. Okay, we have the. Oh, it's not even syntax highlighted. Why? Why it's not being syntax highlighted, man? This is looking horrible. Isn't the HTML... Okay, it's being highlighted here. I don't know why it's not being highlighted here. That's very weird. Docs RS highlight HTML. Let's see if there's any issue. Nope. Other language, maybe. Yeah, there you go. Internals rustlang.org. That's what I was hoping to see. These languages are enabled. HTML is enabled. But anyways, I'll probably see this when it's deployed on docs.rs. So should be fine, I hope. So yeah, I'm gonna just commit this. Let me go to a new branch. Docs improve documentation. VS Code with a Vim plugin was a surefire way to get even more resentful towards VS Code for me. I mean, VS Code, if it wasn't slow, I would probably use it because it was not super bad, except that it was slow. I was not even able to launch multiple VS Code instances because of my plugins, and I was not even using a bunch of plugins anyways. So I don't know what was wrong. And I have a VS Code plugin actually. I think it was called Black Waves or something. Oh yeah, there you go. Guys, install this theme. You're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna install this theme if you're using VS Code. Look at this. 2023. I don't use this anymore, but yeah, I mean, it's freaking black, dude. It has 11K down. That's a flex. Now, that's a freaking flex, alright? So yeah, start a repo, sponsor this guy. This guy is creating bunch of cool shit, alright? Sponsor him. I'm gonna try that. Don't. The theme I was waiting for. Dude, look at this. Look at this. And look at... Okay, I'm not gonna spoil all the stuff that I hid in here because there's some hidden comments or whatnot. You can check them out in the raw readme HTML file. If I choose to run Chrome internal smoothly with all the mouse clicks and shit, I will install Linux server only. Dude, that's gonna happen. Just give me freaking 200 live streams and I will make that shit happen. Alright? No cap. But I mean, 200. You gotta give me 200. Looks like my grandfather's life. So it's dark or what? Guys, let's set a chat goal here, alright? One super chat. Okay, let's do one super chat, and I'm gonna, yeah, let's do like 100. Okay, 100 liras. I'll install VS Code. Okay, start goal, guys. I'm gonna install VS Code and use this theme if you just send me money. It's freaking mind games, alright? It's fucking... You know how it is? I mean, it's the hustle. It's the hustle. So, there you go. Don't send me money, by the way. Just for... I mean, come on. I'm doing way more cooler shit here. And if you send me money for me to actually use VS Code... Yeah, wish I could unsponsor... You're not even sponsoring me, dude. What the hell are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? Wait. Okay, sponsors. Where are you? Transistor. You... Dude. Stop the cap, alright? Stop the cap immediately. Where are you? You're not even here. Damn. You're savage today. What am I doing? Once again. Okay, dogs. Improve. Dogs with mention to index. Oh, whatever, dude. It's just been... It is super alpha right now, so nobody cares about the commit messages. I hope if you care about them... Sorry. But anyways, now we did that. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna just document all the freaking modules now. Cargo watch x doc open. Cargo watch is not... Wait, what? Cargo watch is duplicated. I know. Shut up, okay? I'm just gonna use cargo watch. I like cargo watch. I'm not gonna use bacon here. Give this man Windows notepad.exe. Nah. Not notepad, but notepad++. I'll take that happily. I would embrace that, okay? I still have notepad++ running on my Windows 7 machine. So, what are you talking about, man? You know what I use for writing my lyrics to the songs? Okay, hear me out. Big reveal, okay? I have a single file that I use for my lyrics. And I use... Wait for it. Sublime Text for writing my lyrics. No cap. I use Sublime Text, guys. Okay, Sublime Text. Do you remember about Sublime Text? That OG text editor? I use that still. In a single file I write all my lyrics. It works perfectly fine. I drop bangers. I don't care. So, yeah, that's how it is these days. And you know what happened? Oh my god. I deleted that file by accident once. It was hard to recover. I was not able to recover. Because it's Windows fucking 7. Yeah. Helix is not using Vimotions. It looks like a modified version. Yeah, it's like a Vim++, basically. Notepad++ is Kdenlink's. Did your prof made you code in Notepad++? No. But I would like that. I use Notepad++. It's sad that it's the best Windows can offer. I mean, it's still the best though. it doesn't really change the fact that it's the best. Is it still alive? Wait, you make music lyrics? Dude, wake up. I'm a big artist in Turkey. You don't know me? What the hell? Even Transistor knows all my songs and the lyrics to them, alright? So, yeah. I'm not gonna play my own music on stream though. I don't wanna get copyrighted. Because if I get copyrighted, all the money just goes back to me. Which has no point. I mean, with all the freaking commissions and everything, I just lose money that way. Same with Tarkan, dude, stop, no. That would be horrible. Error implementation. Custom error type. Event handling. Okay, let's use input here too. Is peak in the scene. I do think to folk, rock, and country. Can someone server? Go ahead and do that, man. I mean, this guy is like, at this point, he's just doing everything. He's just like me. I don't know. And I'm happy. But you know what we should do? We should start a music project on the Grindhouse. That's what we're missing right now. Everyone's making something, but we're not really collaborating. Or you can even like, you don't have to collaborate. You just have to say something like, hey, I want to start this project on Grindhouse. I want to put it on the website. I want people to see it. I'll just support you. So yeah, let's just do that. Why are we not doing that? Backend. I'm just adding super explanatory comments. Look at this. Backend, backend. That's enough. Rendering, dude. That's super explanatory. You don't need anything else. It's like best documentation ever. Wait, can I add a doc comment here too? Probably. Let's see. No, it's not gonna show up. Okay, whatever. Open YouTube channel for it too. For music or what? I mean, at this point, I have like 4 channels. I don't want any more channels, dude. Like, I'm done with channels, opening channels. I'm not gonna do that. If I have like 1 million subs on one channel, I can start another one, but I don't have 1 million subs. I don't even have 10K. So, but that does not mean that I'm like complaining or anything. This is way better this way because I can actually communicate with you guys and interact with the chat. Otherwise, bunch of fucking assholes and dickholes will be in the chat and I won't be able to share anything, okay? Now it's great, so yeah. Sorry, I was a bit heated there. Share on music channel server, shitty night ways. I have a YouTube auto-generated music channel. Canvas object, I think, that holds the canvas helper, I guess. Canvas element and rendering context. You know what I should do is basically do the thing that I always do with my Rust projects, which is I didn't do that with this one though. Hold on, I'm gonna find it. I have it somewhere in the librs. Okay, just slap this line to your Rust project and you're gonna thank me later, alright? Just slap this. Hey, cool language, thank you. If I had money, I would donate. That's fine. I'll donate to your streams instead. Just came to say hi, bye. Dude, why are you doing this? Come on, just stay at least for like a bit more. But I'm not saying that you shouldn't join at all. So thank you for joining and goodbye, Daniel. Thanks for saying hi, I guess. Thanks for saying hi, dude. You're just missing out on all the fun right now, okay? Just missing out. Okay, we're gonna run doc here, cargo check. Okay, now if you slap that line to your Rust project, you're gonna get a bunch of freaking errors. Because I know that you didn't document your shit, guaranteed. So gotta start documenting your shit now. Sorry, no, not sorry, dude. You should have just documented everything in the first place. So yeah, this should go into prelude actually. Let's create a prelude rs. Everything is gonna break now. Let's see the readme once again. No, not really. Dude, okay, I don't want to create a prelude. No, I don't want to create a prelude. Fuck prelude. That's lame. We're just gonna go ahead and export stuff from the librs. We don't care. We have been tactically k-tank-spied. Before coding, document it first. Yeah, you gotta document your shit first and then code later. In that case, I mean, I don't think anybody does that. Like, testing before coding, that's fine. But documenting before coding, like, what, dude? You're like, you're above every other human being on this planet Earth at that point. Like, 99% above everyone. Like, you're in the top 0.01 probably. So that's just. No, I'm just kidding. Of course, people do that. Bookworm takes CLI projects should add man pages. No. Nobody. Dude, man pages are. They feel like they are from the 80s, you know? So I don't know. Maybe we need something more modern when it comes to that, because it's hard to use man pages. I mean, it's not hard. You just call man whatever. But you got my point. Like, it feels like legacy. Let's use render as a word here because it sounds cool. Constructs new canvas. VT100 is also from around 80s. That's why stay tuned for my upcoming talk if it ever happens. I think it was around May. Yeah, around May. If I get accepted to a conference, I'll give a talk about that. So yeah, I've been thinking about these stuff already, so I'm 2 steps ahead. Sorry. No, sorry, actually, we gotta collaborate on that because you seem like you know some stuff about VT100. Canvas backend. This backend. This backend takes the. It is always super consistent. When it hits the 48th minute, just gonna cut off. But I should be back now. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. I think somebody's playing with me on purpose. Like, as long as it hits 48 minutes, it just goes like black. I don't know. I just refreshed the page. Yeah, there was a disconnection. Just refresh the page and you'll watch me in the 4K quality. Not sure if you want to do that. This backend renders the buffer onto a HTML canvas element. Okay, what else do I want to mention here? Nothing. Not sure, hold on. Use this time to initialize the grid and the document object. I don't need to document that. But yeah, terminals, man. You gotta start writing a terminal emulator already.
Some confusion is perfectly normal at this stage, Captain. Do you have a visual signal?
Is this using the doc command to generate the documentation? I guess yes, but it's not highlighting these. This is not being exported in documentation, but wait. Which terminal emulator are you guys using? I am just curious. I'm not looking for a fight, okay? Just curious. Genuinely curious. Somebody's gonna say integrate a terminal in the VS Code. I'm not gonna pick on you, don't worry. You can say that. Kitty, Alacrity, Western on Windows, Foot on Linux. That's a weird choice, Transistor. I gotta be honest with you. Western on Windows. Wait, why not Western on Linux? Alacrity is perfectly fine. Kitty, never used that before. Cannot really talk about that one. Compares. Okay, just documenting code at this point. What is this translate function? Yeah, we can just return an... Wait, we cannot return an error from that. Okay. Gotta return an error from the function because it's not returning an error. Okay, we did that. Fill text. Let's return an error from here too. Dude, no way you send money to me again, dude. Stop. Like you're trying to find a user-friendly one. Foot is really fast and simple for Wayland in particular. I gotta just switch to Wayland at some point. Did you fulfill that goal by sending that money to me? Cause I don't wanna install VS Code now. Mic'd up. Yeah, I just got been mic'd up. Dude, wait. Is that... Did you just send to me for fun or for the goal? I don't think. Anyways, not gonna install VS Code. Just send me... Don't send me anything, okay? Don't send me anything. I don't want money. But thank you. I'll just pay that back, by the way. You know that, right? Because at some point, we're gonna see each other in Istanbul or somewhere. And I'm just gonna... You know... You're just gonna have some Turkish coffee or whatever. So I got you, man. Don't worry. You're probably gonna get like 10x back from that. So it's a good investment, okay? Guys, send me money now. You're gonna get 10x. How about that? How about that? I'm just... at this point, it's a scheme, okay? If you ever see me in real life, you're gonna get 10x. How about that? If you see me at some conference, just ask for money. Don't say hi or anything. You'll just say, hey, dude, I send you 10 bucks. Where's my 100? And I'll just give it back to you. Super chat is 50 Poland. You know I'm playing with that through my nose. Looks like scam. No, it's not a scam. The visitor, I'll pay for your coffee and food. No, that's not gonna happen. Hello Ferris, what's up? Populates the buffer with the given content. The only reason why this draw function exists is just to take the buffer out of the given terminal and then just yeah, that basically. It's not even drawing. So it's a scam. This function is a scam. It's not drawing anything. Sound like jet by holding. No, I'm not. Dude. I'm trying new ways of making open source sustainable. Okay, I started live streaming. Now I gotta do some stuff else. Okay, business plans. It's fucking mind games over here. So send me like, I don't know, $5 and you're gonna get like, okay, 100x. How about that? You're gonna get 100x if you ever see me, which you won't, but keep hoping for it. Okay, I don't even exist. That's why I'm just the internet person. Okay, that's that. Let's use a result. I think these are already documented, yes, because of the trait implementation. But I don't like the to-dos over here. I think I'm gonna use unimplemented instead of to-do. That's just way more sicker, you know. Now that I saw that mic emoji, I feel like we should have some guests on the stream sometimes. Does anyone want to be a guest? Like, I will just invite you and you'll be able to speak to me, which sounds like a weird thing. But I mean that, yeah, how about that? We just chat. And I just record and just post it as a podcast. I just reinvented podcasts from scratch. How about this? Vibe-driven development. That sounds fire. I can't speak though. I'm not gonna ask what you can do, because I'm a bit afraid. This backend uses the DOM to render content to the screen. Transforms, in other words, it transforms the cells into spans which then appended to a pre-element. Okay, let's see if this is being, yeah, okay. Oh, this is good. How about if I do this? Okay, no one is interested in being a guest. That's fine. I'm just gonna keep being a lone wolf then. How many guests did I have on this channel before? I guess three separate people. Okay, I have friends. Now that I think of it, actually, yeah, apart from the guy who joined Charm, which is the competitor that we have, I have friends. Okay, just kidding, Rafael. I'm just kidding. Okay, if I know that you're not watching the stream right now, but if you ever watch the stream, or if somebody sends you a link to this to the timestamp, I'm just kidding, dude. Just keep up what you're doing, okay? And then when you finally get to a higher position in that company, just hire me, all right? And somebody just clip this and send it to him. Thank you. Everyone's so introverted. Yeah, I mean, why am I here, dude? I should be just the arch, by the way, guy doing his job, whatever. Why am I not introverted then? Actually, I am. I don't even exist. But I mean, come on, guys. Let's have some fun. Why are you so introverted? Just it's time that you expose yourself to the world. Okay, I know that you're all just talented as fuck. It's time for the world to see that. I realized I didn't document these fields. Buffer, current buffer, previous buffer. It's easy to canvas. Easy to document when you have Copilot. Okay, I'm gonna change to do to unimplemented. But what are we gonna talk about? I don't know. We're just gonna chat, I guess, about a bunch of stuff. You are the one. What do you mean? I'm not Neo. I didn't escape Matrix yet, but I'm teaching how to escape matrix. Just join the Discord and become a member today. I don't know. Scam. Window document. Maybe I should reorder the struct fields because they I don't know, window document initialized. See, seems a bit weird. I'm gonna actually reorder them. Hold on. Here I have initialize buffer, previous buffer, canvas. Okay. Doesn't really matter though. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, okay. Pre-render content to the screen. I'm gonna remove the console log stuff. Because, I mean, rookie mistakes, you know, compares the current buffer. Yeah, okay. Do you see those software engineering courses in Turkey for crazy prices that promise to find jobs after finishing it and graduating in 6 months? I see them every day and it's crazy. It's like a scam in another level, dude. Like, they simply teach you how to write hello world programs, like, you know, no quality whatsoever. It's like, you know, you just do, like, you know, you finish the course, you got some not really quality code at all. You just, I don't know, you half-assed learn a language maybe, and then they just demand freaking crazy money for that. And I don't know, I never seen somebody who made it through the industry thanks to those courses. People usually just learn by themselves, and if you're paying for them, yeah, just getting scammed. Sorry, but that's the reality. Do you use i3? Yes, I do use i3 for a long time now. I wanna try out Wayland though. Maybe then I can try Sway, or is there any good tiling window measure there? Wayland people. Compares. I don't want to use the S thing here, so compare instead of compares. I like your rice, thank you. It's very like outdated at this point. I gotta do a new rice. Now this is like I don't even remember the name of the team. Kanagawa Wave team, but I wanna do something more hardcore because now that we have this brand, you know, Grindhouse, I wanna. This looks super bad, but you know, this logo and the black and white, I probably should, you know, do a new rice where it's black and white and super sharp and I don't know, shiny. I've used Wayland before temporary, but the tiling is alright, I think. I switched from Wayland to i3 a few months ago, never regretted. What? Whoa. I heard the opposite, and people said that Wayland was nice. What happened, dude? Flush. This function is called after the... This function is called after the draw function. Okay, maybe line break over here. Yeah. Hmm. Oh boy, I meant Hyperland. Hyperland with Wayland. I don't know what Hyperland is. Is it like a Wayland Wayland like thing? Cause I have heard of it, and I think I've seen it. It was looking nice, but I don't know about the details. Hello, what's up? Yazan Maruf. What's poppin', man? Welcome to the stream. Okay, this is good enough, I think. So a Thailand manager for Wayland runs on Wayland protocol instead of X11 to my knowledge. Okay, I see. Honest question, are you employed? Do you mean like as an employee? Because if that's the question, no. But if you're asking, are you like making money from something, something else other than this, an open source? Yes. Of course, I gotta do something all the time. Otherwise, I mean, open source is not sustainable. That's what I'm trying to have these live streams, man. And that's why if you send me money right now, I will try out VS Code. That's my hustle today, okay? That's, yeah, the open source is degraded to this point, at this point. It's just, yeah. Trying every way to make some money from all these efforts. But I'm really grateful for my sponsors, actually. I have some sponsors. So they are paying the bills. You know what I'm saying? But otherwise, it's hard to make some stuff in open source. Looking for a job, hard to find. I feel you. Custom or implementation. What do you do? Do you write Rust, first of all? Because that's my specialty, quote unquote. Otherwise, I cannot give you some advice. If you're looking for advice, if you're not, it's totally fine. Window. I think web sys window. This error occurs when web sys window returns none. Okay. I like that. Let me go back to the error module. I gotta have this thing as a code. Come on. Okay, good. Is your NeoVim configuration that you customize yourself something you adopted from another config? I actually stole, adopted Astra NVim. It's like a, config. And I just customize it a little bit. Cursor animation, yeah, that's a smear cursor NVim or something like that. Kiss that like button now, yes. Kiss that like button. Enable to retrieve body. Document body. Wait, this should be window document. Okay. This is not super explanatory, but I guess, yeah, it's fine. No, I need to learn C and Rust. I'm a blue-collar ex-employee. I hate it, thank you. I like your music taste. Breakcore is an underrated genre. Yeah. I spend so much time in SoundCloud, and I like these type of like a bit obscure and also like a bit experimental type of music. So yeah, I also make music, by the way. Let me plug my Spotify. No, I don't want to do that now. Maybe one of the moderators can do that though for me. Not my ex Orhun Spotify, the other one. But you don't have to. Okay, wait a minute. I can just freaking Bandcamp myself. Bandcamp.com. Where's my handle? Okay, 1 second. Dude, I just lost my own music account. There you go. Boom. I just plugged my own music. Unable to retrieve context. Let's see. JS value error. Mods are sleeping. Transistor is probably not in the stream anymore. Just taking a break from all the mod duties. I need a new moderator. Who wants to be a moderator? Experiment which API was enough pain. Now you want me to drive into the hellscape that this YouTube chat. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Transistor is a great moderator. Love him. Best chatbot that I have ever seen. Best language model that I've ever used. You're awesome, man. Keep it up. Keep it up as in, you know, keep running. No downtime. JS value error. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Do we need to add any error? Okay, converts. Let me add stuff for these as well. Yeah, doing stuff properly, you know, commenting everything in the world. Event. Key events. A key event. Let's just keep it simple. The key code. Whether the control key is pressed, whether the alt key is pressed, whether the shift key is pressed. Do you think live streaming coding is a good idea? I do my own programming videos regarding Golang. Interesting. I will check out your channel. I cannot really say your name because you have some Chinese stuff going on. But I think it's a good idea, but not like, I'm not saying you should do it. Like, it's a bit weird because for me it was mostly experimenting. Like, you know, I didn't want to be just streaming Neovim and talking to myself, you know. I wanted to have like more like interactive type of thing going on. So that's just a good thing to do if you are trying to build an audience, you know. But otherwise I think it's quite boring just to, you know, just watching somebody suffer is sometimes boring. Like Transistor knows he's been through my like the worst painful streams. I was freaking, you know, tearing my hair, which I don't have, and then trying to like fix a problem. It was just hard, and you just watch that, you know, and it's a bit like weird as well. If you're not really used to putting yourself out there, it's just difficult. For me at this point, I don't really give a shit, so I'm just doing whatever. Nice to meet you, Lee. Is this okay? Let's do that. Converts. Key code. Okay. Let's see now. I've been trying to like expand my programming since right now. I do like slideshows where I talk through about stuff I make and discover. That sounds interesting. I gotta check your channel actually. 1 second. Guys, let's just stalk Lee. Go to channel. Is this your main channel or are you streaming on somewhere else? Or let's check. Go series. Dude, I'm not really big on Go, but I'll give it a watch. How do I make that? That's interesting. First of all, I like your content and I like your theme. That's quite interesting stuff going on. The new focus on my channel and my OpenVRT setup. Tutorial SSR trailer. Dude, your videos are great. First of all, I don't like Go that much. But one
Hello
sec.
and welcome to Go Series 2. So this is going to be the second series of the Go series, and it will follow pretty similar in the first series footsteps, where ultimately there's a project goal, and I will share along my development path,
Looking
kind of the stuff I learned, and
looking
kind of things I
forward
discovered
to
throughout my
the
process.
Rust series.
So
No, I'm just
the
kidding.
per
That's cool. I can check out later. I don't stream at all. Okay, got you. All right, let's go back to main now. I don't know why we have a main file in a library, but that's the price that we need to pay for basically testing easily. For rendering a terminal on the web. Trade implementer provides a method onto the Rust is going to come. Actually, I want to deal with tweet for Microsoft to do with Rust. Okay, sounds cool. Hello, Akif. This trade. Okay, let's do something like provides met. It's to render terminal on the web. Render the terminal on the web. I'm thinking, what can I say here actually? Straight. It provides all the necessary methods to render the terminal on the web and also interact with the browser, such as handling key events and so on. But yeah, good to know actually, to get people who create some content in this stream. You know, it's a fun thing. It's very difficult too, I think. I don't know. What do you guys think about my content? I mean, I'm not posting videos that much, except from the shorts. Is anybody watching the shorts? I mean, be honest. Do you get stuff on your shorts feed, or what do you think about them? I don't know. I'm just curious. If you think they are not really beneficial for the growth of this channel and community, just let me know and I will stop doing them, because they take time too. I paid somebody to make them for me, and but I don't know if I get scammed. Hopefully not. So yeah, just waiting. I'm watching them all. Okay, what do you think about them? I mean, this stream is the first time I found you, but this is chill and stuff. Yeah, good to know. Renders. Okay, what is the actual documentation command for the render function on the terminal? Actually, no, not the terminal. Wait, I'm just curious now. Draws a single frame, renders terminal on the web. The terminal needs to be rendered. This method takes a closure that will be called on every update that the browser makes during request animation frame calls. I guess for serious content creators, shorts are a must. Do I look serious enough or what? You really pay someone for it? I thought it is AI. Yeah, it is AI, but it is still taking time because I want to have some good quality content there. You know, I'm just like sometimes just fixing the subtitles, fixing some parts, because otherwise it's like it is there. The you know, the base of the short is there, but you need to like play around and edit it a bit. Takes like, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes to do that and actually export and post it. So I paid some guy to actually do all of these chores, but he didn't hit me up for some time. Then I pinged him, and then he said that he's working on it, and I hope I didn't get scammed, basically. The algorithm can take it away. I never like short form content. Like, I don't know how to make good short form content, like longer videos instead of the short form stuff, because it feels like brain rotted. Exactly. That's why I'm doing shorts, because brain rot is everywhere. Gotta do that, I guess, if you wanna like reach out to more people. So this wasn't short form content. Isn't that automatic? Someone has to run it still. Yeah. Sadly. I mean, I can show you an example. Hold on. I'll just show you an example. You know, it's like it picks the good moments most of the time. Like these are the ones that I didn't like, so I just didn't work on them. But yeah, like this one, for example. I gotta like remove the pauses, remove the filler words, make it shorter or longer or whatever, and then you know, post it here and whatever. It takes a bit of time. The attention grabbing shorts with Subway Surfers clip taking half the screen are the worst. I gotta do that, but with a twee or something like that. You know, you gotta just see a twee on the half of the screen and then me doing something. I don't know. I sometimes do that though, unintentionally. I just like, I happen to be working on some twee, so there's a twee on the half of the screen, and then there's me. That's like, you know, attention grabbing. So yeah, just do that unintentionally. Playing Sonic in the twee, that would be great actually. Oh my god, that's a good idea, dude. Game changer. Syntax glitch that will be called on every update that the browser makes during recursive animation frame calls. To do clarify this and validate this. Panels key events. Okay. On key down event actually. Let's make it specific, you know. I'm curious what your specs are for your setup. Actually, it is not that high. It's just a ThinkPad with a extra 8 gigs of RAM, so you can take a look at my NeoFetch. You know, it's AMD Ryzen 7 whatever. Some memory of 24 gigs. That's it. Like, I don't have it's not a beefy computer. It's just some ThinkPad I bought like a couple of years ago. And I have a second monitor, I have a webcam, I have my water, if you know what I'm saying, so you gotta be hydrated. Gotta pay Rafa to write a TUI emulator for whatever Sonic ran on. Sega. Yeah. There's a video on my channel about that. Quest and animation frame. Oh, there's some unwraps here. I mean those should be fine. For Ratatouille's terminal. Okay, let's see the documentation now. I have a T480 lasting me 6 years. Yeah, I was actually thinking of getting 470, but I didn't have the money back then. For real though, I literally didn't have money to buy one, so I just went with this one, which is a bit cheaper. And it's been a nice journey so far. No issues. Actually, there's some issues. There's one issue with the kernel, but there's always one issue with the kernel, so I just accept this at this point. Okay. Everything is documented now, right? No, the utils, god damn it, the utils. I'm just gonna very quickly document them. Create a new span. Given cell. Create a new A element with the given cells. Convert a cell to a CSS style. I really should just refactor everything here. What do you guys think about the framework laptops? Because I think Arch people are a bit hyped about them. I saw a couple of people using that in the last summit. Like framework, I don't know anything about it. I just know that it's like okay when it comes to Linux support, I think. So yeah, get cell color for servers. Wait, this is just anyways, I'm just gonna skip that. And CTR GB or GB tuple. Returns true if it's mobile. Returns a sized buffer based on screen size. Returns a buffer based on the screen size. Okay, let's do that. Return based on the canvas size. That's the document title. I think inherently it's an okay idea, but it's like some more expensive. So the idea of creating laptops that will last longer through repetitive means not necessarily achieved and isn't really combating the e-waste problem. Yeah, I think it's a bit of a industry problem rather than a consumer problem. What am I saying, dude? That was super weird thing to say, but sometimes I just say some stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. I need to read up on them a bit. I never like used one. I just saw people use them. That is a modified style. Okay. Hyperlink widget. Okay, everything is documented now. Everything is documented. What do you guys think? We don't have any tests though. 0 tests. The music is a bit weird. Okay, I hope I don't have any typos. Let me check. Typos, ratatouille should be ratatouille. Of course, that's a typo all the time. It's, yeah. Dude, this is a problem. Now I need to just update all the dictionaries over the world, like all around the world. Just ratatouille should be a word. By the way, what does ratatouille mean? Like this dish, I mean, what does it mean? Any French in the chat? Anyone? I think Francois is not here today. It's just sad. My man Francois is just chilling, making some ratatouille without me. Alright, so docs lib add missing documentation. God damn it, it's just a lot of documentation. What else? I just want to actually make the API a bit better, because now I realized I have some modules that I export. Look at this, utils. I'm just exporting one function from this, and why is that? It's because this utils are mostly just backend utils. So I'm just gonna move this to backend. Pub create mod utils. And from lib.
Some confusion is perfectly normal at this stage, Captain. Do you have a visual signal?
Okay, how do I change this now? I guess backend utilities, something like that. And here I'm gonna remove this thing, which will be exported. Oh wait, no. I gotta go here, create a new utils. Put this here. Rename the and change the thing. Web utility functions. There you go, it's better. And from here I'll just go ahead and do some like backend utils. And at some point I just gotta remove all the util functions and move them to their respective place in the respective backend. What are you building, mate? I am building a library for creating websites. Basically, I'm building this. Not yarn, of course. I don't know why I was typing yarn at there, but it's not using yarn. There you have it. I'm building this. So, yeah, do you write Rust and you serve stuff on web like that? Let me post the link to the chat. There you go. That's what I'm building. Okay, now what does it look like? We have utils, web utility functions. Cool. Let me know if you run into any issues. Widgets, event, input handling, customer type, canvas backend, DOM backend, run web. Cool. That's all we are exporting now. Looks nice. Okay, let's commit that. Refactor, utils, move backend utils or whatever. It's fine. And I forgot to ask, what are you building? Don't send links to the chat because it won't work. But yeah, guys, what are you building? Let me review your code now. We are bringing back the project review streams. Okay. Let me create a PR now. Improve the documentation. Just submit it. Closes documentation. What did I change? Bunch of stuff. Okay, now I need to mention some advanced topics. Should I do them in the backend module? I wonder. We don't have a backend module though. Backend module is non-existent. Let me see. Canvas backend. DOM backend. I'm building a screenshot application that does OCR with Google's Tesseract, a cross-platform, easy to use, fully locally device OCR application that Go series 2 at least. Oh, that's cool. I think I saw some projects like that before, but they were not using Tesseract. Wait, I might need something like that. You know what? We had one project where we kind of tried to do something like that. We were trying to like extract text from memes because we were trying to build a meme database. That shit didn't go well. We didn't end up building it. But Tesseract was quite fun to play with while we were doing that. It was a fun project. I had some friends back then, you know. Then yeah, I don't see them anymore, I guess. RIP. It happens. So Canvas backend. Do I want to add any code examples here? I am not sure about that. Maybe later. Did that fail, by the way? Are we failing? Are we failing the CI? No. Okay, everything passed. That's cool. Docs backend. Export the backend module. That's not actually docs. That's no, actually that's kind of docs. That's fine. I don't want to get stuck with the conventional comments. Okay, now let me actually add some documentation, man. I just gotta do that. Canvas backend. I'm mainly building this for school since I have to read a lot of old archival sources for my classes. Oh, that sounds a bit of a difficult thing to do OCR, but okay, good challenge I guess. Which don't have a good copy and paste from the PDFs that are given. I hope that's not like some kind of a hacking attempt on or like I don't know what you're building, but I hope not, because I mean that's probably what I would do if I need to search a bunch of old archives for some specific information. I would just do OCR and then anyways, good. Keep building, I guess. Just build things. Okay, yeah, cool. Do I want to export canvas? What methods do I export from canvas backend? Just new. Okay, I don't need to actually export anything else. Like, it's just new. No other way to tweak this at all. So why am I gonna add more documentation to it, right? Just finding excuses all the time to not write documentation. Life is great, dude. Let me reset that. Okay. No docs. Okay, let's just mention all the stuff in README then. Quick start. Backends. No, the answer for like digital notecast that my classes require. Okay, gotcha. I was just joking, by the way. Quick start, backends, Godzilla. Okay, maybe I should add bold to this because it's a bold project, you know? It's a very bold project. Currently supports I'm thinking if I should like add comments to the code, but anyways, can supports the following backends. One is the DOM backend. Let's link to where Radzilla. I never been to this page. I just realized DOM backend. Works by converting the terminal, converting the cells to HTML elements, span, etc. and inject them. Okay, inject sounds like a cool world. Maybe cool world word. Sounds like a cool word. Maybe use that. I don't know if injecting is the correct thing. Yeah, probably not. Let's not use inject. And rendering them in the DOM. Two is the canvas backend. Canvas backend works by in a HTML canvas element. both of these backends have their own pros and cons. But that's actually a nice completion. That's entirely true. There's a large twist. The Canvas backend is faster and more efficient, harder to style and less flexible. It's not harder to style though. Does not support all the features of the DOM backend, such as hyperlinks. Okay, let me use proper links. I'm just on the documentation grind today, man. Cannot believe I'm writing documentation. But it should happen, you know. Let me remove that. Okay. Okay, that was easy. And all you gotta do is just use canvas new or just DOM new, canvas backend new with DOM backend new function to switch between these backends. So I don't know if I should mention that. Probably it's clear. If something is not clear from this, just let me know, by the way. I don't know if anyone is just actually focusing on what I'm writing on in the stream. Probably there are people watching really trying to consuming this thing, and I know that some people are just playing this in the background like transistor like all the time. But yeah, life's hard. I'm a nice background music. Actually, let me use the correct capitalization. My ASMR custom has been called out. Dude, what are you doing right now? Tell me. I'm listening to you while working on my own code. Everyone's probably doing that. Music makes it chill. It all thanks to the music. I'm not making any money from the streams. God damn. Particle shift. Atmospheric DNB jungle just stealing all my revenue. God damn it. Freaking DNB producers. They're just using copyrighted shit left and right. And then, no pun intended. And then I got like 0 revenue. But I mean, what am I gonna make from streams anyway? So that's fine. It's totally fine. Okay, backends. We mentioned them. Widgets. Redzilla provides a set of web only widgets that you can use provides while building tools for web. As of now, the following widgets are available. Just one actually, that is just hyperlink. Only hyperlink. Reading up on adding language idiosyncrasies. Dude, you should just try out Joule. Where's Adam, by the way? I think he just lost hope on my streams, or like he just not my friend anymore. He's not joining my streams. I don't know what happened. I think we picked on him a lot more than we should about being an employee in McDonald's. It's probably just offended. Just sad. Hyperlink. Adam Lang mentioned. Let me add the hyperlink example somewhere. Do I use Rust here or RS? I think I use Rust, yeah. Okay. Hyperlink, new. Oh, I forgot to mention that hyperlink actually uses a line under the hood. I'm just gonna refactor that and move that into a new module. I think that's gonna makes that is gonna make more sense here. But yeah, use Radzilla widgets hyperlink. I think that's the same path that we import hyperlink, but let me check. Hyperlink widgets hyperlink. Okay, that's correct. Acknowledgements. This project is heavily inspired by Webatui. Thanks to and the initial implementation of the DOM backend. Okay, that sounds weird. Hold on. information of the essential parts of the project. Let me add a special thanks to Martin. Martin Blasco. Don't forget to add a repository link to GitHub. Yep. Martin Blasco for helping with the huge help, and lastly, thanks to Ratatouille for providing the core tweet components. Okay, that sounds nice. Okay. Widgets. What did I forget to mention? I'm gonna add some comments here. Or maybe not. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Readme X. Okay, I'm gonna push this and see what has changed. Okay, something is failing. Something is failing. Cargo test doc. What happened now? Frame area. Oh. Okay, how do I Rust doc skip compiling or something. There should be a way to ignore. I mean, no run would work, but I mean, what do we do for Ratatouille? Let's see the widgets. Paragraph. There isn't a frame render thing. Let's see frame examples then. Wait, what? Oh, I see. Okay, then we cannot use frame here. You can use comments though. Then you can render it as usual. I'm gonna move the widget to widget. It wraps. Well, it doesn't really matter. So we just hyperlink. Okay. It's hyperlink. Wait, what is this? Okay. So factor widgets move hyperlink to its own module. I think I'm done with this. With this PR. I don't know what else to add. Like, it's quite documented now. A bunch of stuff is moved around. Better readme we have. So all should be good. I'm going to rebase and merge. Mention next and mention different backends. Mention the widgets. Done. More examples. Kinda done. Yeah, I didn't do that one though. I'm gonna reopen this. Gaming news. Recently played the demo of Kero Quest 64 and I really love that retro platformers are getting so much second wind. What is Kero Quest 64? When it comes to games, I'm just super boomer. That looks actually fun, dude. Does it run on Linux? It's my first question. How much is it? Only Windows, god damn it. No. I can play it now if it runs on Linux. SteamOS and Linux. I think it will run on Linux now. I mean, this doesn't look like it has bunch of requirements. That looks fun, man. That looks fun. Okay, Transistor, thank you for sharing that. I'm gonna add this thing to my list of games now. Doesn't seem to be hard to run on Proton. Yeah, I'll check it out. I just have to add like a shiny demo recording something here. Because now it just gives you the code, which is nice, but it's not good in terms of promoting this project. Just gotta add like a nice website built with Ratzilla itself. So yeah. Bring back gaming on Linux native, yeah man. Okay, let's create a new release now. Bump version. .0.0.0 alpha. Pre-release. Okay, next thing that I'm gonna do is just go to the Terminal Collective website and bump the dependency there. This is the only project that depends on this right now. I hope. I don't think anyone is using this right now. Hold on. Let me make sure. Dependence, nothing. Cool. So yeah. Come on, just publish it. Okay, published. Let me go to here, bump it. I wonder if I changed anything in a breaking way. I don't think I did. Just move stuff around and added documentation. That shouldn't be breaking. Okay, trunk serve. Alright, we are in business. It's working. Pump, Ratsil. Okay, what was the... Okay, I gotta just do... Pump, Ratzilla. This will work. Also, I realized... Well, I didn't realize. I'm using rand with small RNG. That's... Yeah, we don't actually need to do that. I can just use rand directly. Like this. And since this is not gonna build, I can just add this as a dependency, and this will build. Weird, I know, but it works like that. Fast rand is also... Let's actually check that. Hold on. Should support WebAssembly, I hope. Let me see. Feature flags, std, JS. Okay, we have a JS flag. Features, JS. Not FS. Not J. Okay, JS. Alright. Now this will fail because I changed the thing. How do I use fast run now? Fast rand use size. I guess this would work. Now, every time you run this thing, the game of life should be different because I was using a fixed seed before. Now it's not fixed. Yeah, so it's changing now. But it ends really quickly. Yeah, you're right. Can't even make this thing like this. Why do we have a match on a boolean, dude? Okay. Use fast rand instead of rand. Now I'm a bit like curious why this is ending too quickly. But I'm not sure how Game of Life works, so I don't know. Maybe it's because browser is too fast. I highly doubt that. Like, I don't think browser is too fast. There are many different rules in Game of Life. But now, the good thing is it's entirely random every time you refresh it. Because before, like I said, it was a fixed seed. Tweak the rules and you get a different outcome. I don't know where I will tweak them. You can also try this out, by the way, if you're curious. This is the repo. But yeah, let's see. I gotta add the license of this project. License. Oops. Oop. I will actually contribute back to the upstream. Last month. Let me see. Or I can actually okay, why am I vendoring this first of all? I think the only reason is because of the cell state. I am wait a minute. Cell state grid. Create new random, okay. Maybe we can tweak this to support custom strings for the cells, and then we can simply contribute that back to the upstream. I think that was the only reason why I rendered this. Congrats on Ratatouille, it's a pretty slick library, thank you. I should thank the other maintainers though. Almost makes me miss Rust. We should come back to Rust. Live value. Okay, if I do that though, it will get super complicated. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna leave that to the upstream actually. Support configuring the hello. Pretty nice project. Pretty nice project. I happen to use this pretty nice project in an upcoming building. Okay, it's a long story. How do I tell the whole story to this guy now? I happen to use this pretty nice project. Nice. In an upcoming website that I'm building here. It's a long ass story.
And lost consciousness. And that was the last I knew until I woke up aboard the craft.
As you can see, I worked. Okay, I'm gonna use an excuse here. I worked on this on live stream and hacked it together pretty quick. That's why I went with the rendering approach where I basically librs file. Oops. It would be nice to make it possible to configure that. That's the I am so locked in, that's why I'm not speaking. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna submit this, and I hope they will welcome my request and they won't get offended because I just took their whole librs file, like the whole ass librs file. Just took that and put that in my project, but it's open source, so yeah, I just feel a bit bad. But anyways. Okay, we have a lot of shit to do still. We are so far from a stable release at this point, but it works. That's the point, I think. Support for markdown links and paragraphs. Yeah, that's a big one. But I think I'm done for today, to be honest. Like, this is looking way better now. Look at the docs.rs. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you all for tuning in. Is there any last minute questions or anything that you want to say to me? I'm slowly losing my voice. I'm just trying to stick a sticker to the microphone. How does it look? It's not bad, actually. Yeah. Alright, the music just ended, so that's a sign. Guys, thanks for tuning in. As I said, I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever, sponsor on GitHub. And yeah, good night, I guess, or good day. And yeah, keep cooking, and as I said before, just build things. Keep building, everybody. Oh 07. I'm out.